Welcome to our channel, where we empower you to unlock your wealth potential and achieve financial success. In this video, we will explore effective strategies and mindset shifts to help you create wealth and make money. Let's dive in. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss the secrets to building wealth and making money. It's important to note that financial success is not an overnight phenomenon. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a strategic approach. So, let's get started. The first key to wealth creation is adopting the right mindset. You must believe that you are capable of achieving financial abundance. Develop a positive relationship with money and view it as a tool for creating opportunities and impacting lives positively. Surround yourself with inspiring individuals who have achieved financial success. Read books, attend seminars, and listen to podcasts that promote a growth mindset and financial education. Remember, your mindset will determine your financial trajectory. To accelerate wealth creation, it's crucial to diversify your income streams. Relying solely on a single source of income can be risky. Explore different avenues such as investments, side hustles, or starting your own business. Passive income through investments such as stocks, real estate, or mutual funds can provide a steady stream of wealth. Consider leveraging the power of the internet by creating digital products, offering online courses, or monetizing your skills through freelancing platforms. Building wealth isn't just about making money, it's also about managing it wisely. Developing effective money management skills is essential for long-term financial success. Create a budget and track your expenses meticulously. Prioritize saving and investing a portion of your income. By living within your means and making informed financial decisions, you can protect and grow your wealth over time. The world of finance is constantly evolving. To stay ahead and thrive financially, you must commit to continuous learning and adaptability. Keep up with industry trends, learn about new investment strategies, and develop your financial literacy. Attend workshops, join communities, and seek advice from experienced professionals. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to wealth creation. So, there you have it, the key strategies to unleash your wealth potential and make money. Remember, building wealth takes time, effort, and a solid plan. With the right mindset, multiple income streams, smart money management, and continuous learning, you can set yourself on the path to financial abundance. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Remember, you have the power to shape your financial future. Until next time, keep striving for financial success. Take care and goodbye.